Going to discuss about fuzzy lookup. Now, what is fuzzy lookup? Now you can see my list one. List one is here, and list two is here. Now you can see the name. My party has sent me the data like this, Alpha Technologies, and the second list is again showing Alpha Technologies, but both spelling are wrong. Both spelling are means not matching with each other, and you can see the other example Gamma Corporation and Gamma Corporation. As per my client, he is correct. As per my database, this information is basically over there. Now what I need to do, I need to match these two information. Now the problem is VLOOKUP will not work at all. Now XLOOKUP will not work. Now what we are going to do, we are going to use fuzzy lookup over here. Now what is how we can use fuzzy lookup? Again, we have now AI tools. Now we can use the AI tool. Let's use ChatGPT to match these two lists. Now, but the problem is we are not going to share our this data to ChatGPT. Now, what how we can resolve the problem even without giving the data to AI portal? Now let's discuss. So this is my ChatGPT model. Now what I'm going to do, I am going to ask the question. So whenever you are asking any question from the Excel side, so you need to be very focused on the cell references, column references. So here my list is in A to C and F to H. So I'm going to give the column reference to ChatGPT so that I can ask anything. So here I'm going to ask my VBA code. Why VBA code? VBA is a programming code that we need simply copy and paste, and copy and paste is good. Now, here I'm saying, let's say I have two lists in Excel. First is from A to C column, and second is F to H column. Now, my data is having, so these are the headers. Just reconcile both list and give me VBA code to match at least 70% probability. Now I'm saying to ChatGPT, at least whenever 70%, whenever there is a probability more than 70%, then match. Otherwise, ignore it. So upload this. So we have not uploaded any data. Now here you can see the VBA code is coming, and what we can do, we can simply copy and paste this VBA code. Copy. Now press Alt F11. So here we have insert, module, and paste. Now we are going to run this. Run. Now this is giving me probability. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to ask once again. You are giving me probability percentage, but I want reconciliation of data. So copy this, and again I'm going to paste the VBA code over here. Paste and run. Now you can see. So this is the list one, list two, and this and these name are not appearing in the list. So this is not matching. You can see Nexus Limited is not here, and that's how it is matching with the probability percentages above 70%. So this is a fuzzy lookup. This can be used in reconciling your purchase register, sales register, or whatever the case may be. So keep enjoying, keep learning. See you in the next video.